This week I focused on developing activities for my specific module and a little bit beyond that. My objectives are shown in the learning targets document that I provided for the students. Also took some time to add more activities, including my Captivate module, which was a nice little challenge on its own due to the size and the limit that we had of 100 megabytes per item for the Moodle website or Moodle page. Um, Going to take some time to look at the different parts of the module and yeah, let's see what we have. As mentioned last week, I took some time and updated our upcoming events, going to the calendar. So you'll see a few more things added to the list this time. Also, you'll see how we can go about adding more to the list and to the calendar. I also took some time and added my intro video here so that they can get an idea of what types of topics will be covered during this unit, and it is hosted on YouTube and just embedded in the file. Next, I've added the learning targets that the students will be responsible for completing by the end of the unit. This also is here so that they can keep track of their progress and the activities that they're supposed to complete. Along with including it with my unit, I wanted to give the students an opportunity to practice with the vocabulary. This can be recorded to the gradebook, and it's a simple drag and drop exercise set up through Hot Potato. And they again just take the time, drag the words over, and at the end they can check their progress. This is the place where the students will turn in their lab assignments, their write-ups, and it'll be graded and assessed by a rubric that I've already set up. As mentioned before, I think that your learning management system should be an extension of your classroom, and for that reason I've added a real-time quiz. This can be used in class as a formative assessment to ensure that the students are clearly understanding what's going on, and you can have that feedback to show to administrators as well as to assess whether to move forward or whether you need to stop at that point. I added another assessment, this one again specifically towards the module that we're using. As you see, you can set the amount of attempts, have the students go through at their own pace, and they can actually choose which sets of questions they want to go to or if they want to navigate back to any other parts. As mentioned before, there are two different types of communication that are happening here. One can be actually a live chat, which I can set up for a weekly time where the students can come in and type in their materials, or a forum setup so that they can ask questions that can remain posted there as long as necessary, that they can reference it at different times, as well as communicate directly with me.